What's up guys, Joe with Elevated Rides. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator Key Fob today. Let's get to it. Alright guys, you're going to need a couple tools, a flathead screwdriver to pop the back off, a smaller flathead to pop the battery out, and obviously your key fob. So let's get started. Okay, so grab your flathead and then we're going to go to the bottom of the key fob right here. There's a notch. You're just going to put that in and kind of work your way around it. Go slow. It kind of pops off. It's being held in by these four little things here right in the center. So there's your battery. Now that we got the back off, grab the smaller flathead and then we'll get the battery out. So there's a little notch right here. Put your battery in and pop that out. Now that you grabbed your new battery, it's a 2450, you're just gonna pop it back in, plus side up. Now I think it tells you right here also if you get confused. Slide it in, push it down, grab the back, just pop it in. You hear it pop, just make sure it works. There you go, and that's how you change the battery in your key fob. Hopefully that helped you guys. Now you can go out and change your own key fob battery. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, comment down below if that helped. Follow along for more tips and tricks.